Well, yes, a whole host of India Inc. Has reacted to the double the tariffs on India. Wherein first up, let's tell you the comments coming in from Anand Mahindra, chairman of Mahindra Group, where he's saying that the law of unintended consequences seems to be operating stealthily in the prevailing tariff war unleashed by the US. Now, India must go beyond incremental reform and create a genuinely effective single window clearance system for all the investment proposals. While states control many investments regulations, we can begin with a coalition of willing states aligned with the national single window platform, and if we demonstrate speed, simplicity and predictability, we can make India an irresistible destination for global capital in a world seeing trusted worthy partners and unleash the power of tourism as a forex engine. We cannot fault others for putting their nations first, but we should move to make our own nation greater than ever. Other than that, we also have comments coming in from Harsh Goenka, who is the chairman of RPG Enterprises, where he's saying that you can tariff our exports but not our sovereignty. Now, he raises our tariffs, we will raise our resolve, find better alternatives and build self-reliance. India boasts to none. Other than that, we also have comments coming in from Sabir Bhatia, who is the founder of Hotmail, where he's saying that the Trump just raised the tariffs on Indian goods to 50%. India should seize the moment and slash the tariffs on the US to 0%. Yes, zero. It would be the boldest move for the Indian economy, driving competition, innovation and growth, and time to think smart, not react small. And lastly, we have the comments coming in from Anand Ranganathan, who is a scientist and author, and he's saying that so Donald Trump has imposed 25% additional tariffs on India as punishment for importing Russian oil. No such tariff on Europe, that is importing 8 million tons of Russian oil, or China, that is importing 108 million tons of Russian oil. We stand alone, but we stand united. So these are the big comments that we are tracking from India Inc. this morning.